If you understand this text, your English level is C1. A day spent at the park. Yesterday offered the perfect weather for spending time outdoors. The sun was bright, the sky was clear, and the temperature was just right. I decided to take advantage of the beautiful day by visiting the park. I packed a bottle of water, a novel I'd been meaning to finish, and my phone. Knowing how sunny it was, I also wore my favorite hat for some extra shade. Upon arriving, I noticed the park was full of life. People were out enjoying the day, some walking their dogs, others chatting while sitting on benches. Children played energetically on the playground equipment, their laughter echoing through the air. I chose a peaceful spot beneath a large tree, where I settled down and began to read. The book was captivating, and I quickly became immersed in the story. After a while, I paused to take a sip of water and simply listened to the birds chirping in the trees above. Later on, I took a leisurely walk around the park. I passed a pond where ducks were gliding across the water and saw a family enjoying a picnic on the grass, sharing sandwiches and laughter. The flowers throughout the park were in full bloom. Vibrant shades of red, yellow, and purple caught my eye. I took several photos to capture the beauty of the moment. Everything around me felt peaceful and full of joy. After spending about 2 hours there, I headed home feeling completely relaxed and content. It had been a truly refreshing experience, and I'm already looking forward to my next visit.